Dive into a new communication experience. Express yourself with Pix, the first smart animated backpack that illuminates your flow and reveals it to the world. How does it work? You control it through your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect it to the backpack. Enjoy dozens of pictures and cartoons available in the app. Choose your favorite one and it appears on the backpack. Express your creativity. Create your own art and share it. It can be either a picture or a cartoon. The only limit is your imagination. Use the Pix app to personalize your backpack as much as you like. It's easy and fun. Communicate with the world around you. Share something you care about. Your moods and feelings, what you're up to, your favorite music, anything you like. How about interactive features like notifications and widgets? Let your Pix backpack help you in everyday life. After all, the Pix is still a backpack for your stuff. It's designed to be roomy, convenient, and stylish, and has enough compartments to carry everything you need. Highlight your personality with Pix.